large cardboard box, but more about that later. Engine's in, so let's plumb it in. Join all the wires, join all the plumbing, put all the fluids in, bleed the brakes, see if it'll start and stop. get a fuel pump. Fuel line's on the wrong way, maybe? All lights out. Maybe not enough fuel because it was drained out. Double checked everything. Got good fuel pressure. Obviously hasn't got spark. I think these are built in a mobilizer. Tried locking it and unlocking it and then see what happens. Fuel pump on there. Steal half a gallon of fuel out of the drift car.